guys, welcome back. We're now entering week 4 of kind of like quarantine for the coronavirus here in Fuzhou. But I would just kind of like to say we are doing really well. Fuzhou is really starting to open back up. It's no longer kind of really creepy isolated. Things are becoming like places are opening back up, though you still can't like go into a lot of places. So that's like really good news that Fuzhou is kind of becoming itself again. There's a lot of cars, a lot of e-bikes back on the streets. So it's really good news that Fuzhou is kind of like coming out of its shell. But today I kind of want to show you kind of a special package that the company I work for kind of provided for us to kind of like for the coronavirus to kind of like, you know, kind of give us a little pep in the step. So thought I'd kind of do like this little unboxing thing. They messaged us over about a month ago. Yeah, it was about a month ago asking for us to confirm our address and confirm our phone numbers because the headquarters of the company was going to be sending us boxes of like a care package. I was thinking this thing was going to be pretty, like a pretty small care package. This thing, you can't see it right now, but it's like, it's not a little care package. This thing is actually pretty hefty and it's quite large. It's from Sam's Club, so I'm not quite sure what's inside. But I wanted to kind of share this with you because I thought it was really sweet of them to like send us a package. Like, I don't know how many teachers got one. I'm not sure if they sent it to all the teachers, but I'm kind of excited to see what's in this box, to see what they are providing for us. So let's go ahead and dive right into this unboxing of like this mystery box. So, there's so much tape on this thing. All right, here we go. All right. Bubble wrap. My ultimate favorite. I don't need anything else in life but bubble wrap. Okay. It smells really good. What's ever in this box? I just opened it up. As soon as I took out the bubble wrap, I felt like I get punched in the face with like all kinds of smells. So what? So you need to stay clean during this time. So they provide you with some nice Safeguard soap. Is it? I'm not sure if it's hand soap or if it's, yeah, okay. I don't read Chinese very well, so there's that. And then we got waffles. Guys, these are almost every foreign teacher's breakfast. We love these. And this is a massive pack. This is the biggest pack of these waffles I have literally ever seen. Like, I used to eat these religiously. I would hold like so many of these in my backpack when I was going to and from work. Unfortunately, we don't go to and from work anymore because everyone's working online, so it's online classes. But these are delicious. 10 out of 10 recommend. All right. Oh God. Okay, I'm calling them saltine crackers. These say soda crackers, but I'm from America and we will consider these saltine crackers. So if you get sick, I hope no one gets sick, but these would be great. It's just kind of like to snack on. And honestly, I wish I kind of had this box the other day because I was kind of having a bellyache. It wasn't like anything with the virus related. I think I got some slightly food poisoning because I was kind of ill for a day. This would have been amazing to have at that point because I was like, I thought I was gonna die. So, but this is more saltine crackers I think I can ever consume in my life. And then we got dried blueberries. I love blueberries. I don't know about y'all, but blueberries are so flipping good for you. They're really good for your skin. And dried blueberries, like a snack on the go. I could try it, like I could buy some peanuts and I could make some trail mix. And then we got, I want to know what smells so good. That Safeguard could not have been the smells good. Okay, there's this massive thing right here. I'm not sure what it is. It's laundry detergent, a big flipping thing of laundry detergent. I'm gonna have to cut into this and I'd rather not right now, but that is so sweet. Unfortunately, I just bought laundry detergent like the other week. So now I got extra, or I could just pass it off to somebody else if someone's in need of it more than I am. But definitely want to have clean clothes. Unfortunately, I beat the company to it. And then, last but not least, we got moist towelettes, moist towelettes, moist towelettes, moist towelettes, and more moist towelettes. All the moist towelettes. You cannot go wrong. Clean your hands. Be clean. Be sanitary. I will be clean. I don't have to worry about germs. I've wiped out anything and everything, and here I was already spending my paychecks on towelettes. All I had to do was wait. If I just waited a little bit longer, I would have been set. I'm like good for life. Maybe not for life, but I got a lot now. So that's really sweet of them to send us these packages to help take care of us during this this virus time. Like, you know, because you need to stay clean, you need to stay healthy, and you gotta make sure you're eating enough. And so this is really sweet of them. And if y'all checked out my other video about how there's kind of some stores having shortage of food, so this is awesomely sweet of them. Obviously the company spent their own money to do this for us, and so I feel really loved right now. So I want to say thank you so much for thinking of us and sending us these packages. It's really appreciated, and thank you again. Thank you so much. I'm not sure what to say. This is my first unboxing, and it's a surprise package. I didn't have a clue what was going to be in there. I wasn't even sure if I was going to get one. I was just kind of all right, here's my information. There you go. And yeah, and so this is kind of really cool. Though it's it took them 4 weeks for me to get this package, but I mean, the company works throughout all of China, so they had a lot of teachers they had to hit up. So that's really cool. So guys, I hope you guys kind of enjoyed that little unboxing. I know it's kind of short, but hopefully you kind of see there's trying to be some positive times in this kind of crazy hectic time that we're in. But I'll keep you updated with other videos, so I'll talk to y'all later. Thanks for joining. All right, bye.